Today we start new topic, that is chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Okay. What is arithmetic progression? You can write the definition of arithmetic progression. Sequence is an arrangement of numbers in definite order according to the same routine. For example, suppose if I am taking an equal to 3n plus 2, the sequence I am taking, so I can make one arithmetic progression with the help of the sequence. How? Suppose if I am taking n equal to 1, so my first term of the sequence will be a1 equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So this will be my first term, okay. Suppose if I am taking n equal to 2, so what will be my second term? 3 into 2, 6, and 6 plus 2 will be 8. And similarly, if I am taking n equal to 3, so 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 will be my third term. Is that clear? So now this is just like a arithmetic progression, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Okay? And what is the basic thing here? Difference between two numbers here, like 8 minus 5, that is common difference. This will be same. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Similarly, third term and second term when you will subtract, again you will get the same common difference. Okay? That means you can take a3 minus a2 as a common difference, or you can take a2 minus a1 as a common difference. Is it clear? Suppose in this arithmetic progression, if you want to find any specific term, so you can easily find any specific term with one formula. Okay. So which formula that is? Suppose you want to find nth term of the series, so you will use an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So what is a here? A is the first term of the series, and what is n? Which term you want to find? That is n, and d is common difference. Suppose this is my arithmetic progression, 5, 8, 11, and I want to find 25th term of this arithmetic progression. So which formula I am going to apply? This one. An equal to a plus n minus 1d, right? Suppose 25th term I want to find, so in place of n I write 25. In place of a, I will write 5 here. So this is 5. And this is 25 minus 1. And what is d here? D is 3. Okay. So 3 will write here. This simplification will give me the 25th term of the series. How? 5 plus 25 minus 1 is 24, and 24 multiplied by 3. 24 multiplied by 3. So 5 plus 24 multiplied by 3 is what? 72. So 72 plus 5 will be 77. It means what? 77 is my 25th term of the series, isn't it? So you can easily find any term of the series. Got it? Now suppose I want to find 64th number term of the series, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. I want to find 63 terms suppose. Okay? So what I do? What is my A? First term of the series. A is 3. And what is my D? D means common difference. First term, second term minus first term will be the common difference. Okay? So 6 minus 3 will be 3 here. This is my common difference, and want to find 63rd term. It means n is what? 63. Clear? So simply we have to put all the values in the formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So an is what? A 63. A is what? 3. 3 plus 63 minus 1 is 62 multiplied by 3. Okay? So 3 plus 3 to the 6, 6 3s are 18. 186 plus 3, 189 will be my 63rd term of the series. I hope it's clear, everyone. Yes. So now suppose this is my question. We have to find n if my arithmetic progression is this. Okay. 1, 7, 13 and 4, 1, 5. Suppose my formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So with the help of this formula, I can find 4 things. Find which one? Suppose an is here, a is here, n is here, and d is here. Any three terms are given the question, so we can easily find remaining fourth term. Fine. Suppose in this question we have to find n. Means n is not given. We have to find this, and all the things are given here. Fine. Which all? An means last term of the series. This is 4, 1, 5. And what is a here? A is first term of the series. That is 1. D is also here. D means common difference. And what is common difference? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is 7 minus 1, 6. So what will be my D? 6 will be D. Okay. So put all the values here. You will get the value of n. Fine. Look here. What is my an? An is 415 equal to a is 1 plus n we have to find and d is 6. What we have to find actually, हमें ये बताना है कि 415 इस सीरीज की कौन से नंबर की टर्म है, ठीक है? That means we have to find n number of term in the series. Got it? So 415 equal to 1 plus n minus 1 multiplication with 6. First of all, what we'll do? We'll shift this 1 this side. So it will 415 minus 1 equal to n minus 1 multiplication with 6. 415 minus 1 is what? 414. 414 equal to n minus 1. We can shift this 6 downside. 414 upon 6. You know the 414 upon 6 is what? 69. Okay. So 69 equal to n minus 1. So 69 equal to n minus 1. So what is the value of n? N will be 70. It means what? 415 is the 70th term of the series. Is that clear? Now my next topic is sum of an of AP. किसी भी AP का आपको भी sum find करना हो तो कैसे करोगे? Sum of means आपकी उन सारी terms का आपको addition करना है तो कैसे करोगे? उसके लिए फॉर्मूला है Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula to find sum of any nth term of the AP, right? अब देखो इस फॉर्मूले में हम थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं इस फॉर्मूले को. Suppose if I want to write in this way, n upon 2, 2a I can write into a plus a. This is n minus 1d as it is. So what is this now? This is a plus n minus 1d. Is this just like the an? Okay. So in place of this a plus n minus 1d, I can write an also, right? So what will be the new formula then? N upon 2 a plus an. Means what? In your series, if first term and the last term is given and n term is also given, so we can easily find Sn, right? So we can use this formula also. Got it? Now we'll solve one question. Suppose my series is 1, 7, 13, 19. Suppose 24th टर्म तक का सम मुझे फाइंड करना है इसका, ठीक है? अब मैं इसका सम 24th टर्म तक का फाइंड करूंगी. मीन देयर इज नीड नॉट टू डू एडिशन हियर. 1 plus 7 plus 13 plus 19 ऐसा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली विल यूज द फॉर्मूला. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल चेक व्हाट इज a here. a is 1. What is d here? Second term minus first term, that is 6. Okay. And what is n here? n is 24. Because 24th term तक की series है ये. Okay. Now we'll put the formula Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Then you will put all the values in this formula. You will get the answer. Okay. So n is what? 24 means sum of 24th term we are finding equal to 24 upon 2, 2 into 1. Plus 24 minus 1 and d is what? 6. I hope it's clear. Now 24 upon 2 is what? 12. So 12, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 24 minus 1 is 23 and 23 multiplied by 6 is 6 3s are 18 ka 8, then 6 to the 12 and 138. Okay. So 138 plus 2 is 140 and 12 multiplied by 140. Okay, now we'll take one more example. the sum of first n term is 3n square plus 4n. We have to find 25th term. This is very important question. Okay, so what is here? Sum of first n term is 3n square plus 4n. It means Sn equal to 3n square plus 4n. This is very powerful expression, student. Okay, why? Because sum of n term का पूरा expression given है आपको, तो आप easily इससे पूरी series find कर सकते हो. Suppose आपने n की जगह 1 put किया, value of n 1 first of all. So what will be the value of S1? S1 will be 3 plus 4, 7. And sum of one term will be equal to my first term. Is it clear? क्योंकि one term का sum हो या फिर first term हो, बात तो एक ही हुई. Okay. Now put n equal to 2. n equal to 2 will be S2. So S2 will be 3 square of 2 plus 4 into 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 8 will be 20. This is my sum of two term, means two term का sum है. This is not my second term, this is sum of two term. So how will we find the second term here? Second term will be S2 minus S1. आप दो टर्म के सम में से the first term minus कर दोगे तो that will be your second term. Clear? So my second term will be 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7, that is 13. So this is my second term. Now with the help of first term and second term I can easily find my common difference, because what is common difference? Common difference is A2 minus A1. So 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is what? 6. 6 होता है 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, 6 will be my common difference. Now each and everything is here. First term is here, then n is here, common difference is here, so we can easily find 25th term. Because what is the formula to find 25th term? 25th term find करने का formula है an equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now we want to find 25th term. So this is a25 equal to value of a is 7. And this is 25 minus 1 is 24 and multiply by 6. Then 7 plus 24 multiply by 6 is 6 4s are 24, 4, 2, 6 to the 12, 144. So 144 plus 7 will be 151. So it means 151 is my 25th term. Okay? I hope it's clear.